had not forgotten about you, sir. You may come up to make your statement.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
John Lauro on behalf of Wendi Adelson. Your Honor, we previously filed a motion to make a brief statement before Ms. Adelson testifies. We'd like to make clear for the record that she is appearing pursuant to a state subpoena that by law furnishes her with use and derivative use immunity. But for this subpoena, she would assert her Fifth Amendment rights with respect to every question that the state would ask relevant to this matter. We also believe that the use and derivative use immunity covers cross-examination to the extent that it involves responsive and relevant questions as well.
The court has previously ruled concerning this matter that the immunity that is being conferred by the state's subpoena does extend to cross-examination, and that she is appearing to answer questions under this immunity. One matter that had come up, Mr. Lauro, after the conclusion of the hearing that we previously had, in making sure that there is a complete record as to your client's invocation of her right to not incriminate herself. She was not present during the hearing, therefore the defense could not take a proffer. Once the examination has occurred pursuant to the state subpoena, the defense is wanting to take a proffer. As to that, any questions in which she believes she needs to properly invoke, you may advise her to do so, and I will make a ruling from there whether there is, in fact, any proper basis that is both relevant and would not go to the right of self-incrimination. Ultimately, you may advise your client concerning these matters as it relates to the defendant's proffer out of the presence of the jury. Do you need to be heard in any way concerning this?
No, Your Honor. We'll just need a brief moment to consult, obviously, after we hear the proffer questions.
That's fine.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
Does either party need to be heard further before the examination begins pursuant to the state's subpoena?
No, sir.
No, Your Honor. You may take your seat, Mr. Lauro. You can bring back in the jurors when they're ready. I believe, even though the jurors indicated they did not have to go to the bathroom at this point, if we are once again dealing with the needs of 14 people, they might be in the bathroom, so wait for the knock. I believe that we have a few jurors that do need to use the restroom. If anyone needs to stretch their legs or use the bathroom themselves, please take your opportunity now. Once we start with the testimony, again, the door will remain closed if you exit. Go ahead. Oh, before you leave the room, Ms. Fulford, once again, Mrs. Adelson, I'm going to reiterate the instruction that I gave to you last Friday concerning any reactions that you may have to either the testimony or the evidence in the case. I understand this may be a distressing thing for your child to be offering testimony in your trial. However, you are to control your expressions and your emotions. Do you understand those? Everyone can take their break. If you need to step down until it's time to testify, you may do so as well.